Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My name is Ronak Farooq from class 12th Girls High Secondary School, Trehgam. Honorable Principal Sir, respected teachers, and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today, on 5th of June, we are celebrating Environment Day. Due to pandemic COVID-19, we are not in position to celebrate this day at our institute. It's my pleasure to send my thoughts to respected Environment Sir, Mr. Abdul Hamid Mir Sir, for forwarding my audio on this day. World Environment Day is one of the biggest annual events organized by the United Nations to generate awareness about the significance of nature. World Environment Day is observed on June 5th every year to remind people about the importance of nature. This day is celebrated across the world to inform that nature should not be taken for granted and must be respected for its values. The United Nations Assembly established World Environment Day in 1972, which was the first day of the Stockholm Conference on the Human Environment. In 1974, the theme of World Environment Day was Only One Earth. Since then, various host countries has been celebrating it. World Environment Day was first observed in 1974 in the United States. The concept behind observing World Environment Day is to focus on the importance of the environment and to remind people that nature should not be taken for granted. This day is observing across the world to respect and acknowledge everything that the environment has given mankind and to take the pledge that to protect it. World Environment Day is celebrated annually on 5th June, and the United Nations principal vehicle for encouraging awareness and action for the protection of the environment. First held in 1974, it has been a platform for raising awareness on environmental issues such as marine pollution, human overpopulation, global warming, sustainable consumption, and wildlife crime. World Environment Day is a global platform for public outreach with participation from over 143 countries annually. Each year, the program has provided a theme and forum for business, non-government organizations, communities, governments, and celebrities to educate environmental cause. The theme for 2018 was Beat Plastic Pollution. The host nation was India. The theme for 2019 was Beat Air Pollution. The host nation was China. This theme was chosen as air pollution kills about 7 million people annually. The theme for 2020 was Time for Nature and was hosted in Colombia in partnership with Germany. World Environment Day theme 2021. The theme of this year World Environment Day is Reimagine, Recreate, Restore, as this year marks the beginning of the United Nations on ecosystem restoring. Pakistan is the global host for the day to highlight the importance of ecosystem restoration this year. At last, I request all of you do not pollute water, land, air, and environment because once it lost forever. Happy World Environment Day 2021. World Environment Day is a reminder that we must take good care of our surroundings. Let's make a promise to make our planet a greenery and healthier place for us to live and enjoy life. Keep your surroundings clean. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Wishing you a very happy World Environment Day. Let's be responsible for our environment. Thank you.